If you are an attorney, your clients are counting on you to solve some of life's biggest obstacles. Without your help, they end up becoming another victim of a system that can eat people alive. You are here to save them, to give them a second chance, to redeem their broken situation. But what if they can't find you? What if you have not done enough to meet them where they are, where they need you to be? That's not what I want for your clients, and that's not what I want for you. My name is Jennifer Goddard. I'm the founder of a company called Integrity Marketing Solutions, established in 1995. I've helped hundreds of attorneys just like you attract the right clients and cases over and over again and command premium fees. We leverage technology and use our strategies to connect you directly to the clients who need you. No more seminars, no more pandering to professional advisors, no discounting your fees or bundling services. I will show you a simple 5-step process that our clients use to rapidly scale to 6 or 7 figures and beyond. We want you to extend your reach, your impact on the world, and increase the number of lives you touch, while earning 6 to 7 figures in the process. This is the dream. If having your dream practice sounds like just that, a dream, I get it, I understand. But the truth is you can make it a reality. Over the past 25 years, we've helped hundreds of attorneys across the nation work with the clients they enjoy, earn the income they deserve, and live the life they've dreamed of. We are changing lives with our work, and we know we can change your life too. I want to invite you to a free training where we will pull back the curtain on the exact strategies that our top-tier clients are using every day to build a thriving legal practice. They're making money, they are impacting lives, and they're doing it without sacrificing their freedom. In this 45-minute session, I will show you our strategy that connects attorneys directly to the clients who need them and brings them into their office with full confidence, trust, and appreciation for and in the attorney and in themselves. I will show you the simple game plan our clients are using to take control of their income, their time, and their happiness. And I will show you how to do all of it without seminars, without pandering to referral sources, or any of the traditional, expensive, tiresome marketing tactics that eat up your time and waste your money. Click the link to register, and I'll see you there.